Welcome back, folks. Greg Silverman here, Chief Investment Officer, bringing you another series of Come Learn With Me with our uranium mini theme. If you want to know what mini investment themes we're focused on, take a look below. We have groups that we've created on LinkedIn and Facebook. Uranium is actually one of our favorites right now. We're really involved in this space. And it's quite newsworthy, I guess, and it's been fairly good to the whole energy, to the uranium sector with the energy markets moving higher. So let's check out this one. Uranium price spikes over Russian supply fears. Cameco Cigar Lake uranium mine in northern Saskatchewan. Interesting, eh? The way it looks. Oh, it's not the pipes. Oh. All right. Uranium, so let's just get a date on this for you. March 10th. So it's not, that was a few days ago. Uranium spot price surged by more than 10% on Wednesday, closing in on $60 a pound, after media reports that the Biden administration is considering imposing sanctions on Russia's state-owned atomic energy company, Rosatom. Rosatom not only represents some 42% of global uranium refinement capacity, but accounts for nearly a quarter of US imports of the nuclear fuel power the country's fleet of reactors. At the same time, Rosatom has several joint ventures in Kazakhstan, which is responsible for 45% of the world's primary uranium production. Russian mines produce 8 million pounds of U3O8 per year out of a global total estimate 117 million pounds in 2021. And the country also adds roughly 15 million pounds to supply through tailings reprocessing. I guess they're not reprocessing their nuclear bombs anymore, right? Uranium out of that. Spot uranium prices are up more than 30% so far this year and are now trading at the highest since September 2011, boosting stocks of major explorers and producers. The world's largest listed uranium miners, Canada's Cameco, is up 14% this week, while state-owned Kazatomprom, KAP on the London Stock Exchange, has reversed its slide to add 10% in value since Monday. Denison Mines and NextGen Energy are both up by a third in value, while Uranium Energy Corp has surged 62% over the last month. There you go. Global ex-uranium ETF has gained 18% over the last month, while Sprott Physical Uranium Trust jumped 6.2% on Thursday, bringing its gains for the month to 32%. In a note, BMO Capital Markets says it calculates that Sprott has added roughly 400,000 pounds to its holdings over the week to date, adding to the roughly 4.1 million pounds accumulated over the prior 2 weeks. This is helping to reduce the addressable inventory overhang in uranium at a relatively fast pace. Well, 4.1 million pounds, by my reckoning, is half of the Russian mine production of 8 million. So that's significant. So this is an investment theme that we are very, very focused on at the moment. We actually have a fund that we have seeded ourselves, and we are raising money for. So if this is a space that you think is interesting for you, if you're buying into the fundamentals, the technicals, the mass psychology, all the factors that we follow, if you want to know how we invest, take a look at the link below to our blog, gregsilverman.com. And then if you want to know more about the specifically uranium fund, which has a cross between public market securities and private market securities, head over to Ritterband Invest, where you will have to register to get more information. So this is a live case example where we've been so successful so far. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Greg Silverman, out for now.